You're thinking of going into Bitcoin, but you have a question of how much do I even need to put into Bitcoin? You don't need a lot of money. Just put any amount that you can afford to lose because why? Bitcoin can be volatile. It's not for the faint-hearted. If you see this as an asset to park your money long term, you're gonna do well. If you are not yet in crypto, you're not yet in Bitcoin, take some time to learn. This is an asset that is here to stay. This is an asset that nations, government, institutions, retail investors, banks, traditional banks that would not even consider touching crypto with a 10-foot pole, they are now pivoting little by little. Nations are coming into Bitcoin. Learn before you invest. Only invest the amount that you can afford to lose. Whenever you buy crypto, always move it to your own hardware wallet. Never leave it on any crypto exchange because if you do, you run the risk of losing your investment. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like literally, you waiting for? Just subscribe. It's not going to cost you anything. Thank you in advance. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, your trusted money coach. I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market always be in your favor. Bye bye.